Welcome to this complete Lisbon, Portugal travel guide. Picture a city where antiquity meets modernity, where cobblestone streets echo tales of a glorious past, and where every corner is a testament to its rich cultural heritage. That's Lisbon for you. In this guide, we will explore 13 iconic spots that highlight the city's charm, from the historic Bellum Tower and Jerónimos Monastery to the vibrant LX factory and the expansive Parque das Nações. Without further ado, let's dive into the heart of Portugal, Lisbon. We start our journey with the iconic Bellum Tower and Jerónimos Monastery. Standing as proud sentinels of Lisbon's maritime past, these two architectural marvels are a sight to behold. Emblematic of Portugal's age of discovery, the Bellum Tower, with its turreted silhouette, once guarded the city's harbour. Today, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, captivating visitors with its intricately carved limestone. Just a stone's throw away, the Geronimos Monastery is another testament to Portugal's golden age. An epitome of Manueline architecture, it's a symphony in stone with delicate filigree carvings depicting maritime motifs. Inside, the grandeur continues with the church's nave, a forest of columns reaching skywards, creating a sense of awe and reverence. Now imagine walking through these historical sites, feeling the weight of centuries under your feet, hearing the echoes of seafarers and monks. These two landmarks are a testament to Portugal's rich history and grandeur. Moving on to the majestic São Jorge Castle and the charming Alfama district. Perched atop Lisbon's highest hill, São Jorge Castle boasts a strategic location that has been coveted since prehistoric times. With its fortified walls and towering turrets, it's a tangible testament to Lisbon's rich and tumultuous history. From its vantage point, you can feast your eyes on panoramic views of the city and the Tagus River. Now, let's meander down to the quaint Alfama district. A labyrinth of narrow, winding streets and ancient houses, Alfama is the oldest neighborhood in Lisbon. It's like stepping back in time. The district is renowned for its traditional Fado music, echoing from local taverns and restaurants. The scent of grilling sardines, the sound of soulful melodies, and the sight of vibrantly tiled buildings create an enchanting atmosphere that's uniquely Alfama. These places are a perfect blend of history and culture. Next, we visit the magnificent Praça do Comércio and explore the vibrant Barro Alto. Praça do Comércio, or Commerce Square, is a grand riverside plaza that was once the bustling maritime gateway to Lisbon. The square's symmetrical yellow buildings were once the offices of government officials who oversaw the city's trade and commerce. Today, it's a popular spot to admire the Tagus River, enjoy a leisurely cafe, or simply marvel at the equestrian statue of King José I standing tall in the center. From there, we head uphill to the bohemian district of Barro Alto. By day, this maze of narrow streets is a quiet residential area. But as night falls, Barro Alto transforms into one of Lisbon's liveliest districts. It's a vibrant mix of traditional Fado houses, modern bars, and eclectic restaurants that serve everything from traditional Portuguese dishes to international fare. These spots truly epitomize the spirit of Lisbon. Now let's discover the National Tile Museum and stroll through the Chiado district. The National Tile Museum, or Museu Nacional do Azulejo, is a hidden gem housed in a former convent. Here you'll find a dazzling collection of azulejos, the traditional Portuguese tiles that have been an important part of the country's artistic heritage since the 13th century. From intricate religious scenes to detailed depictions of daily life, these tiles tell a vivid story of Portugal's history and culture. Next, we'll take a leisurely stroll through Chiado, Lisbon's chic and bohemian district. With its stylish boutiques, historic cafes, and thriving art scene, Chiado is the perfect place to soak up the city's vibrant atmosphere. Don't miss a visit to the iconic Lello bookstore, where the rich aroma of old books mingles with the buzz of literary conversation. Chiado is not just about shopping and cafe culture, though. It's also home to several theatres and museums, making it a cultural hub in Lisbon. These places offer a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Onwards to the creative hub LX Factory and the bustling Rocio Square. Nestled under the iconic 25 de Abril Bridge, LX Factory is a thriving creative space that will pique the interest of art enthusiasts. This former industrial complex, now transformed into an artistic haven, is home to a myriad of boutiques, galleries, and unique eateries. Every corner is a feast for the eyes, with vibrant murals and innovative installations adorning the spaces. Now let's teleport to the heart of Lisbon, to Rocio Square. This bustling square is steeped in history and has been a key meeting place for locals since the Middle Ages. The wave-patterned cobblestones, the majestic Rocio station, and the towering column of Pedro IV all contribute to the grandeur of this square. The air here is thick with stories of the past, intermingled with the lively hum of the present. These spots are a must-visit for every art and history enthusiast. Finally, we explore the Gulbenkian Museum and the futuristic Parque das Nações. Nestled in the heart of Lisbon, the Gulbenkian Museum is a treasure trove of art and culture. From ancient Egyptian relics to European masterpieces, this museum boasts a vast collection that spans over 2,000 years. Each exhibit offers a captivating glimpse into the artistic evolution of different civilizations, truly a testament to mankind's creative spirit. Let's now shift gears and step into the future at Parque das Nações. This modern district, built for the Expo in '98, is a playground of contemporary architecture. With its waterfront promenade, wave-shaped oceanarium, and the towering Vasco da Gama Bridge, it's like walking into a postcard from the future. This area is the face of modern Lisbon, brimming with innovation and forward-thinking design. These places showcase the city's ability to blend the old with the new. So there you have it, the 13 must-visit spots in Lisbon. Our journey begins at the historical Bellum Tower, leading us to the Jerónimos Monastery, and scaling São Jorge Castle's hill. We experience Alfama's ancient melodies before venturing to Praça do Comércio with King José still reigning. Barro Alto's nightlife thrills us and we admire the National Museum. Following, we explore Chiado District, LX Factory and Rocio Square's heart. Gulbenkian Museum and Parque das Nações provide a cultural and modern finish. Lisbon is more than just places, it's a blend of Fado music, pastéis de nata, lively markets and peaceful churches. A city of contrasts, it invites discovery for and returnees alike. We hope this guide helps you in planning your visit to the charming city of Lisbon. Don't forget to soak in the culture and enjoy the local cuisine. Until next time, happy travels. Before we wrap up, let's take a short detour from the city's hustle and bustle. Just a stone's throw away from Lisbon are two captivating towns, Sintra and Cascais, which offer their unique charms. Sintra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a treasure trove of 19th century romantic architectural monuments. The Pena Palace, Quinta da Regaleira, and the Moorish Castle are just a few of the enchanting places that transport you back in time. On the other hand, we have Cascais, a charming coastal town known for its sandy beaches such as Praia da Rainha and the bustling marina. The perfect spot for those seeking a blend of sun, sea, and culture. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or a beach lover, these towns have something for everyone. So, when in Lisbon, do take a day off to visit Sintra and Cascais. They're more than worth the trip. Remember, travel is about experiencing the beauty, history, and culture of every destination, and these towns are a must-visit for every traveler. Until next time, keep exploring. We're back in Lisbon, ready to hop on the iconic Tram 28, a vintage yellow tram that chugs through the city's most scenic routes. As the tram trundles along, absorb the city's charm, the narrow cobbled streets, the historic neighborhoods, and the panoramic views of the Tagus River. It's like a rolling postcard of Lisbon's best sights. After the picturesque tram ride, we arrive at Mercado da Ribeira, Lisbon's biggest open food market. The market is a paradise for food lovers, offering a smorgasbord of Portuguese delicacies and international cuisines. It's the perfect place to indulge in the local flavors, from fresh seafood to pastel de nata, a traditional Portuguese custard tart. Experiencing the local life and cuisine is an essential part of any travel journey. Tram 28 and Mercado da Ribeira offer just that, a glimpse into the heartbeat of Lisbon. So, for every foodie and culture enthusiast out there, make sure you add these spots to your must-visit list in Lisbon. Until next time, keep tasting the world.